If you're using Tor Browser, you might notice that your choice of search engines is more limited compared to other browsers. This is intentional, as Tor is designed to prioritize privacy and reduce tracking. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in Tor Browser and explain what each option actually does. Let's get started. First, open Tor Browser on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner and go into Settings. Click on Search. Once you're there, look for the default search engine drop-down menu. Click it, and you'll see the available options. Tor Browser typically includes three main search engines. DuckDuckGo is the default option for most users. It is privacy-focused and does not track your search activity, which is why it is deeply integrated into Tor. You can choose a version that disables AI-powered search features. And there is another option to add Tor's Onion service option for improved privacy. Startpage is another privacy-focused search engine that acts as a middle layer between you and Google results. It offers more traditional search results while still reducing direct tracking. In some configurations, Startpage also support Onion routing access for additional privacy. Wikipedia is the simplest option. Instead of general web search, it directly searches Wikipedia articles, making it useful for research, definitions, and factual information, but not for general browsing. After choosing your preferred search engine, the change applies immediately. From now on, every new search you perform in Tor Browser will use your selected provider. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default search engine in Tor Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more privacy tutorials, browser guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.